Welcome back to DeezyVision. We are heading out of Orlando today. It's road trip day. We're going to be taking a drive down to Fort Lauderdale. And when I was growing up, as a kid, I loved doing this. Like doing these city to city road trips, seeing the open plains, stopping at the rest stops, just being on the open road. Now, I haven't done it that much, as I got older because, you tend not to like it as much, but today's going to be my first time doing it in a bit. So if you're ready, come on, let's go. All right, we out of here. Saying goodbye to the Spring Hill Suites International Drive. About to hit the road to Orlando, to Fort Lauderdale. Sorry. Hit up this rest stop. Go in here and get something to eat and drink before going back on the road. I think I might just go to get me something from Wendy's here. They have a Dunkin' Donuts also. They have a variety of places here, but this right here is most familiar. So I think I'm gonna go here. Alright, so we've made it to Fort Lauderdale. It wasn't too bad of a drive, it was only a few hour drive. Staying here at this Best Western. This is the airport, cruise port location here in Fort Lauderdale. I'm staying in room 106 here at the Best Western, so I'm gonna take you guys in, take a look at the room. Yeah, here we are. This place looks like they either just built this here or they did some renovations because the flooring is nice. It's nice and clean. It looks new, feels new, smells new. So once you come in, you have this door here. It takes you to the bathroom. A regular bathroom. Nothing too special about it. You got the tub, nice shower head, got the toilet, bathroom sink. And you have the towels, and they decorated the towels nicely. The bathroom also has a blow dryer, and then here, of course, they give you your lotions and your shower shampoo and conditioners. And then once you exit the bathroom, right here you got a mirror you can look in. Little closet space here, equipped with an ironing board and an iron. And you have the bed, which I've already thrown my backpack onto, and this stand here that I put my bag on. And then here we have the lamp. You can plug in your devices there. I don't see any USB ports on that, so I don't think these lamps have them. And you have a fridge, your microwave, and then this is the stand with the bureaus. Television is right above it. You can see my silhouette in there. And here you have a desk. You can sit, jump on your laptop, your tablets, eat, do whatever. Another lamp, power socket. And you have the little coffee maker here. Hamilton Beach. This hotel, just like the last one we were in, uses more of a ductless unit and not like the central air system. And you have a chair here you can sit. Another lamp is behind that. Bed again. And then here's your phone, remote for the TV, you have your clock. And then here you have another lamp with 2 power sockets in it. So obviously these ones don't carry the USB ports in them. So that's going to bring us to the end of today's video. This is my final city for this trip. It's been a good few days. Enjoyed myself here in Florida. Spent a lot of time with family while I was here. So this wasn't much of a come to Florida and hit the theme parks and do stuff like that. But you know, it's more of a family time trip. So I enjoyed it. So here in Fort Lauderdale, gonna finish the evening off in Fort Lauderdale because it's like after 6 in the evening now, after driving all afternoon. So just gonna enjoy the rest of my afternoon. Yeah, I have one more day here. Not gonna jump on the camera and do anything. Just gonna enjoy the last day here before heading back home to the Bahamas. And if the quality is looking different for this video, it is because I shot this entire video on my phone. So I'm not using the camera for this video. Use it for the last video. So just trying something different here. I haven't shot with a phone in a while, so it's been a minute since I've done that. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, give the video a big like. I appreciate you watching as always, and if you haven't as yet, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I got more stuff coming up once I get back home to the Bahamas, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to check with all of the links I left in the description section for you. So until next video, no, that ain't how I do it. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.